This is the front valance of our 1968 Shelby. It's all fiberglass and it goes under the bumper. It's one of those things that sets the Mustang and Shelby apart from each other. Yeah, they do make and sell replica ones of these, but it's always better to repair rather than replace, especially in an instance of a special car like this. Ours was in a few pieces, so our first step was to remove the paint and start fitting the pieces together like a puzzle using vice grips, zip ties, and fiberglass. The valance slowly started coming together. It's quite a tedious process because of the fiberglass. It has to dry and then you have to sand it back to shape it. It's basically at the stage now where we can put on the high fill primer and start working on the finishing details. It was a lot of work, but it came out looking really great. I think for a different car, I probably think it wouldn't be worth it, but for an original Shelby, it's the only way. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.